हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू मास्टरमाइंड स्टडी सेंटर। हम इस वीडियो में केमिस्ट्री के 250 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर स्टडी करेंगे सिर्फ 25 मिनट में, जो एग्जाम्स में बार बार रिपीट होते हैं। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, प्रेजेंस ऑफ व्हाट कॉज यूरिन टू बिकम पेल येलो? यूरोक्रोम। रिमूवल ऑफ impurities फ्रॉम ए मेटल बाय केमिकल मेथड इज कॉल्ड लीचिंग। Which chemical is used in nail polish remover? Acetone. Who discovered electron? J.J. Thomson. Handle of pressure cooker is made of bakelite. Rocky material found with ores is known as gangue. Soft water and soda water mostly contains carbon dioxide. Which gas is used in cigarette lighter? Butane. A sulfide ore is concentrated by flotation process. Which chemical is used to clean the surface of gold ornaments? Aqua regia. Why bubbles comes when limestone piece is dipped in water? Because of carbon dioxide. Name given to German silver is because of its appearance is like silver. Which fuel is used in gas welding? Acetylene. What is used to construct electromagnet? Soft iron. Minamata disease is caused by consuming fish polluted with by which metal? Mercury. What is the phenomenon of radioactivity? Emission of alpha, beta and gamma particles. What are the three states of matter? Solid, liquid, gas. Which disease is caused by asbestos? Emphysema. Who is known as the father of modern chemistry? Lavoisier. What is the fourth state of matter? Plasma state. What is the fifth state of matter? Bose-Einstein condensation. Which is the only metal which is liquid in room temperature? Mercury. Who discovered neutron? James Chadwick. Atoms of elements having same atomic number but different mass number is called isotopes. Freon used as refrigerant is chemically known as chlorofluorocarbon. Which is the only non-metal which show the property of luster? Iodine. Name the only non-metal which is good conductor of electricity? Graphite. If elements show both the property of metals and non-metal, it is called metalloids. Why sodium liquid is used for the heat transfer medium in nuclear reactor? Because sodium has high specific heat. What is the effect of temperature on conductivity of metal? It decreases. What is the value of 1 electron? 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Name the chemical which is responsible for stimulation of tears glands by the onion. Sulfur. What is the formula of rust? Fe2O3 into H2O. Which metal is used in mobile phone batteries? Lithium. What is used in making pencils? Graphite. Coil in a heater is made of which metal? Nichrome. Which number is called as Avogadro's number? 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Atomic number is represented by which symbol? Z. What is the relation of velocity of light, frequency and wavelength? C equal frequency into wavelength. Rusting of iron is a mixture of iron, oxygen and water. Which inert gas used in electric bulb? Argon. What is the purpose of adding baking soda to dough, atta? To generate carbon dioxide. Food wrapped in newspaper is likely to get contaminated with lead. Potassium superoxide is used in cylinders in space and submarines because absorbs carbon dioxide. What is the main constituent of Dettol? Chloroxylenol and terpineol. How is ultra pure metal is obtained? John refining. Name the important ore of magnesium. Carnallite. Which gas is responsible for greenhouse effect? Carbon dioxide. Which toxic substance is present in CFL lamp? Mercury. What is the process of conversion of liquid vegetables into solid fat like ghee? Hydrogenation. Name the salt which is responsible for hardness of water. Calcium bicarbonate. Which element is found in all organic compounds? Carbon. What process is used in purification of salt? Crystallization. Workers of glass and ceramic industry faces which health hazards? Silicosis. What is the chemical name of table salt? Sodium chloride. Which is called philosopher's wool? Zinc oxide. Which chemical was an important symbol in our struggle for freedom? Sodium chloride. What is the process to separate mixture of salt from ammonium chloride called? Sublimation. Atoms consist of electron, proton and neutron. What is the charge of neutron? 0. Atoms of elements having the same mass number but different atomic number. Isobars. What is the value of 1 angstrom? 10 to the power minus 10 mt. What is the pH of blood? 7.4. Name the bond present between water molecules. Hydrogen bonding. Process of heating the ore in presence of air. Roasting. The process in which concentrated ore is heated below its melting point in the absence or limited supply of air is called calcination. Who discovered the phenomenon of radioactivity? Henry Becquerel. The impurities in the ores are removed by adding flux. What is the process of cooling glass in hot atmosphere called? Annealing. Why the HIFO used in photography? It removes unreacted AGBR. Out of metal and non-metal property of plaster is shown by metal. What is the unit of frequency? Cycle per second or hertz. Brass is an alloy of which elements? Copper and zinc. What is the full form of pH? Power of hydrogen. If pH of solution is equal to 7, then it is neutral. What is the chemical name of milk of magnesia? Magnesium hydroxide. Who invented dynamite? Alfred Nobel. If pH of solution is less than 7, then it is acidic. If pH of solution is greater than 7, it is basic. The chemical that is used to artificial ripening of mangoes is calcium carbide. Bee sting contains which type of liquid? An acidic liquid. Formic acid is produced by bite of red ants. Atoms of different elements having the same number of neutrons is called isotones. Which allotrope of carbon is good conductor of both electricity and heat? Graphite. Which element is called white gold? Platinum. Safety matches are made of which type of phosphorus? Red phosphorus. Name the lightest element? Lithium. Name the heaviest element? Osmium. In presence of sunlight, chloroform converted into phosgene. Excess of copper in human cause which disease? Wilson. Which type of wire is used in electrical heater? Nichrome. Which metal is used in cancer treatment? Cobalt 60. Which element is called as fool's gold? Iron pyrites. Which chemical is used as marker? Voter ink during elections? Silver nitrate. Where is yellow phosphorus is stored? Water. Calcium hydride is also called hydrolite. Radium is extracted from pitchblende. Which two element is best conductor of electricity? Silver and copper. Crimson red color is in fireworks is due to strontium. Working of a dry cell is based on which principle? Electrolysis. Name the radioactive element which is commonly used in nuclear reactor for producing electricity. Uranium. Why seawater is saltier than rainwater? Rivers wash away salts from earth and pour them into the sea. Fuse fire is made up of which element? Lead and tin. Rusting of iron in which type of change? Electrochemical change. Which gas emitted by power station causes acid rain? Sulfur dioxide. Which allotropy of carbon has rigid 3D structure? Diamond. Misk metal is used in manufacturing of cigarette lighter. Which toxic substance is present in automobile battery? Lead. Sour milk and curd contains which acid? Lactic acid. The number of proton or electron in an atom is called atomic number. What is water gas? Mixture of carbon monoxide and nitrogen. What is the chemical name of soda ash? Anhydrous sodium carbonate. Which gas is used in atomic research and radiotherapy? Radon. Name the most abundant inert gas present in the atmosphere. Argon. Name the scientist who discovered hydrogen. H. Cavendish. Dash displaces copper from a solution of copper sulfate. Zinc. Oxides of non-metals when dissolved in water generally give the solution. Acidic. The chlorides of non-metals are thus covalent. Non-metals are thus in character electronegative. Chemically heavy water is thus deuterium oxide. Which metal is called a strategic metal because it is lighter than iron and used for making certain war equipments? Titanium. Why cadmium rod is used in nuclear reactor? To slow down the speed of neutron. Which chemical is used in artificial rain? Silver iodide. Who is known as the father of periodic table? Mendeleev. High temperature required in weld metals is obtained by burning acetylene in oxygen. Why the red phosphorus is used in safety matches? Because at normal temperature it is less reactive than other phosphorus. Which gas is used for artificial ripening of fruits? Acetylene. Which type of water produces lather with soap? Soft water. Orange color of orange is due to presence of which pigment? Carotene. Which gas is called stranger gas? Xenon. Onion and garlic have odor due to presence of sulfur. Green color in firework is due to barium. Which chemical is used to protect the furniture from termites? Zinc chloride. Nucleus of an atom consists of protons and neutrons. Soldering of two metals is possible because of property of cohesion. The sum of number of protons and neutrons in an atom is called mass number. Gun cotton is used as a low order explosive. Chemically it is cellulose nitrate. Which allotrope of carbon is used for cutting and drilling? Diamond. Name the process of heating steel to make it hard and brittle. Quenching. What is oil of vitriol? Sulfuric acid. What is the composition of nitrogen in urea? 46%. Why the white phosphorus glows in darks? Slow oxidation. Water consists of hydrogen and oxygen in the ratio of 2:1. Diamond is derived from Greek word adamas, which means invincible. Which chemical is used as electroplating the utensils? Ammonium chloride. What is the composition of gunpowder? 75% potassium nitrate, 10% sulfur, 15% charcoal. Cinnabar is an ore mineral of mercury. What is the chemical composition of cement? Limestone, clay, gypsum. Removal of carbon properties from air involves the principle of electrophoresis. What is the charge of electron? Negative. What is the mass of electron? 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Who named proton? Rutherford. What is the charge of proton? Positive. What is the value of one proton? Plus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. When SO2 dissolves in water, the acid formed is sulfurous acid. LPG is also called domestic gas. Which element has the maximum number of isotope? Polonium. Which chemical is used to prepare fireproof and waterproof clothes? Calcium hydrate. Name the heaviest metal in periodic table. Osmium. Das is used for making vinegar, acetic acid. During fermentation of sugar, the compound which is always formed is ethyl alcohol. Iodex, a pain relief balm, has the smell of methyl salicylate. Elements which are neither metals nor non-metals are called noble gases. If water smells bad, then the odor can be removed by adding activated carbon. Which acid is used in lead storage battery? Sulfuric acid. Which form of coal contains highest percentage of carbon? Anthracite, 90%. What is the chemical name of vinegar? Acetic acid. Silver gets corroded due to hydrogen sulfide in air. What is zeolite? Hydrated aluminosilicate. Brass gets discolored in air due to presence of aluminum phosphide. The gas released in Bhopal gas tragedy was methyl isocyanate. Name the scientist who classified metals and non-metals. Lavoisier. Which type of iron is purest in form? Wrought iron. Sour taste of lemon is due to presence of citric acid. Biogas used for cooking is a mixture of methane and carbon dioxide. How is neutron produced? Radioactivity phenomenon. Mass number is represented by which symbol? A. What is the lowest quality coal? Lignite. Atoms of different elements having the same number of electrons is called isoelectronic. What is the value of 1 nanometer? 10 to the power minus 9 mt. What is used in combat helmet and ballistic face mask? Kevlar. Thin foil of which metal is used to decorate sweets? Silver. Which is the heaviest gas? Radon. The inert gas which is substituted for nitrogen in the air used by deep sea divers for breathing is helium. Soap used in better cleaning of clothes because it reduces the surface tension of solution. Chemical formula of heavy water is D2O. The term brown air is used for photochemical smoke. In galvanization, the iron is coated with which metal? Zinc. What is the pH of pure water? 7. Which type of metal and their compounds are colored? Transition metals. What are the components responsible for acid rain? Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. Which metal is called king of metals? Gold. The common name of sodium bicarbonate is baking soda. Dry ice is the solid form of carbon dioxide. Ultra purification of a metal is done by zone melting. The first organic compound synthesized in the laboratory, urea. Which chemical is used in perfumes? Ester. What is used as anti-freezer to depress the freezing point of water in automobile? Ethylene glycol. Sodium is stored in which liquid? Kerosene. Bavid metal is a composition of 89% tin, 9% antimony and 2% copper. Which reaction takes place in nuclear reactors? Fission. Name the process of production of energy in the sun. Nuclear fusion. Major portion of Earth's crust is mainly constituted by oxygen and silicon. Bronze is an alloy of copper, zinc and tin. Depletion of ozone layer is due to CFC. What is used in non-stick coating for cooking utensils? Teflon. Which type of phosphorus is most reactive? White phosphorus. In arc welding, argon is used because of its low reactivity with metal. When iron rusts, its weight increases. LPG is mostly liquefied butane. Which method will be employed to test the hardness of water? Formation of lather in with soap. Electrochemical cell which is used as a source of direct electric current at constant voltage under standard conditions is called battery. Name the gas that causes suffocation and death when coal and coke is burned in a closed room is carbon monoxide. What is responsible for depletion of ozone layer in the atmosphere? Chlorofluorocarbons. What is the ore of aluminium? Bauxite. Heavy metals got their name because higher atomic masses. Which particle has the dual nature of particle wave? Electron. Name the purest commercial form of iron. Wrought iron. Apparatus used to test acidity of aqueous solution is pH meter. What is the chemical name of baking soda? Sodium bicarbonate. The gas produced in massive places is methane. The number of neutrons in hydrogen is 0. Which chemical is used for killing rats? Zinc phosphate. What found in coffee, Coca-Cola, Red Bull and Pepsi is? What is found in coffee, Coca-Cola, Red Bull and Pepsi? Caffeine. The process of improving the quality of rubber by heating it with sulfur is called vulcanization. The chemical name of plaster of Paris is calcium sulfate. What is the percentage of nitrogen in air? 78. Antacids are found in drugs that give relief to stomach ache. Cigarettes or coal stoves often require fanning to sustain burning because of lack of oxygen in the surrounding of cigarettes. Browning of paper in all books is caused by oxidation of cellulose. Combustion of a candle in which type of reaction? Exothermic reaction. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14. What is the formula of magnetite? Fe3O4. Iron is prevented from rusting by coating with zinc. This process is called galvanization. Which gas is used in fire extinguisher? Carbon dioxide. Sweat contains water and salt. Quality of petrol is expressed in terms of octane number. Which ray is used in water treatment? Ultraviolet rays. What are metalloids? Metalloids have some same properties of metals and some properties of non-metals. Rutherford scattering experiment proved the presence of nucleus in atoms. How the stains of rust on clothes can be removed? Oxalic acid. What is the chemical name of laughing gas? Nitrous oxide. Which metal is used with iron to produce stainless steel? Chromium. Which element is found in chlorophyll? Magnesium. Which gas helps in burning? Oxygen. What is the hottest part of gas flame? Luminous zone. Silicon is a type of semiconductor. Metal have high dust melting and boiling points. High. What is the major constituent of gobar gas? Methane. Which inert gas is used with nitrogen by deep sea divers for breathing? Helium. ये वीडियो यही ख़त्म होता है। वीडियो कैसे लगा कमेंट में बताना और प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर कर देना।